Okay guys, we just returned. This is part 2 of the macaron in trios. Okay, grab yours. We both are gonna try this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Never mind, that was ass. Hold on.
That was the did it.
That was actually ass. Okay, more videos tomorrow. Bye guys. Okay, nah, I'm just kidding. Hold on. Guys, I'm gonna need to grab some water. I'm going to grab my water. Open the door. Okay, here we got some stuff. Don't mind this. Okay, this is my hat, by the way. If you did not see this, hold on. Let me wear this for you guys. See ya. I'm back with wearing it. Hold on. See this? Look what I push it. It's just so fun, bro. I cannot lie. Okay, back to the water. And these are all the stuff that we got. Do not mind the stuff that we got from here. Okay, water. Water. Okay. You might open this for me, please. Open it. Open it. Open it. Opened. Okay. I don't know if you like water mukbangs, but I'm just gonna do one. Delicious. That was yummy yum. Yummy yum 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 yum. Choco yum yum yum. Choco yum. Okay guys, that was it of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Well, actually, we're gonna do a mukbang today. We're gonna do a mukbang in like 6 to 7 hours. I don't know. I think 2 to 3 hours. Alright guys. Before this video ends, we're just gonna give a shout out to Super Sour Chewy Candy for making the whole video a whopping 10 out of 10. Okay guys, we're gonna do a last little bite. Last goodbye bite. Bye bye guys.